Welcome to our tutorial on creating an e-signature in Adobe Acrobat. Ready to simplify your document signing process? First, open the document you want to sign. Just click File, then Open. It's easy. Next, go to the Tools menu. Here, select Prepare Form to start the signature process. Now, click on Sign, followed by Add Signature. This is where the magic begins. You can type your name, draw your signature, or upload an image of it. Choose what works for you. Once done, simply drag your signature onto the document. Click Apply to seal the deal. Great! Your signature is now on the document. You can save it by selecting File and then Save As. You're all set. Email your signed document with confidence. It's that simple. Let's recap. Open your document, prepare your form, add your signature, and save it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Feel free to leave your questions or comments below. We love hearing from you. Happy signing! Until next time, take care.